When German tractor manufacturer Schlüter unveiled its innovative Euro Trac Systems tractor in 1989, it was envisaged as the tractor of the future. But sadly it wasn't to be, and just over 100 were made in total. We'll look at some of the examples present at the first Schlüter Club Freising's excellent 2023 working event in Bavaria. The Euro Trac offered linkages and load platforms at both front and rear, and the reverse drive option added even more usability. Three Euro Trac models went into production in 1991. The 130 horsepower 1300 was the least powerful of the range. This one is working without its sliding front weight. In 1993, the power of all Euro Tracs was increased, and the 1300 became the 135 horsepower 1400. All Euro Tracs used versions of the same 6.9-litre 6-cylinder MAN engine, mounted on its side beneath the cab, with the radiators located behind the cab. The ZF transmissions used roughly corresponded to those from similarly sized supermodels. The 170 horsepower 1700, which had evolved from the 1600, had an intercooler and slightly heavier duty transmission. This 1700 nicely demonstrates how the unique sliding front weight can be moved forward hydraulically to adjust the tractor's weight balance. The 200 horsepower Euro Trac 2000 had evolved from the 1900 and was the flagship model. It had a heavier duty ZF front axle and an uprated transmission. There were 3 Euro Tracs operating in reverse drive with forage harvesters at the working event. This one is paired with a Mengele SH40H, a popular chopper which was introduced in 1988. Although the Euro Trac concept was good, the lack of sales and financial difficulties ended plans for further development. In 1993, production was transferred to the former Fortschritt tractor factory under LTS until it ended in 1995. This 1700 was made by LTS in 1995. It's working with a Kemper Champion 3000. Kemper had introduced the innovative Champion Row independent harvesting system in 1985. It uses 2 large drums to gather the entire 3-meter working width, which is fed into a flywheel type chopping system. A few more Euro Tracs were subsequently assembled during the late 90s and early 2000s by the Agri company, which had brought the rights and assets of the Schlüter business. But sadly, this was the end of the line for the iconic Bavarian brand.